Besides the jetboating up the Matukituki River, the second part of this 3.5-hour half-day tour is a guided walk into the stunning scenery next to the Mount Aspiring National Park. As Ben mentioned before, the operator has a number of walking sites available depending on the river levels. Today the contrast in scenery could not be more impressive. We are walking through lush green farming paddocks, ancient beech forests with sumptuous mosses covering the grounds, to a pristine waterfall. This provides such a contrast to the jetboating journey on the river.